to my kitchen. And of course, happy new year. Today we're gonna make my homemade chicken sopas. Chicken sopas is a Filipino version of the chicken noodle soup. So the ingredients we have a cabbage, we have bacon, we have kielbasa, we have carrots, we have ground black pepper, salt, fish sauce, we have garlic, we have green onion, lime, cilantro, and we have chicken broth, and we have heavy cream and a chicken bouillon, and I have my rotisserie chicken. This is I always use when I'm making a sopas. Okay, I just bought this at the store. So first, what we have to do is let's preheat our pot, and then let's render the bacon. So while the bacon is rendering, let me start shredding my chicken. So I already washed my hands, so no worry. So I'm just gonna take out the skin. I'm not gonna put the skin into my soup. So just dig in. Originally for this recipe, they use only chicken and they put the hot dog. But mine, I make it more different, and this is my own recipe. My family like it so much, so I shred the chicken chunky. So what I like about the pre-cooked rotisserie chicken that you bought at the store, it's already have that seasoning, a very tasty, flavorful meat. But if you want to make your own chicken, you can just buy the chicken thighs, just boil them, then shred it. So I'm using 2 of the breasts on this chicken. But if you want more, you can use the whole thing. This is gonna be good. And this is perfect for the cold weather right now. Oh, actually, I forgot to mention, I have also diced ham. I have also diced ham for my ingredients. There you go. I think I want to add more chicken because I like chicken. So I'm using the thigh. I'm saving the legs because I love legs. You know, growing up, I can only eat like this if there's a party, like a birthday party. Because you know, we don't have that much money before. We cannot afford to buy this, like the ingredients. So if they have party, if our neighbor have party, that's the only time we can eat sopas. Alright, so that's it. So don't throw away the bone and the skin because you can make this as a chicken broth. Okay? I'll save all of this. And then I eat the chicken legs later. Alright, let me check my bacon. Then while I'm waiting for the bacon to get rendered, let me wash my hands. Alright, for the cabbage, I use the whole head of the cabbage, but this is the small size of cabbage though. So if you have a big one, you can just use half of it. Oh, this is gonna be good. Look at that. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Who would not love bacon? Bacon goes to everything. Smells good. Alright, so our bacon is rendered. So this is what I'm looking for, okay? Now I can put my garlic, and then the kielbasa. Yummy. And then let me stir here. And then I can add my chicken and the ham. This is gonna be yummy. Promise, this is gonna be good. Oh, and I forgot, of course, the ingredients also. We have elbow pasta. Oops. Okay, so this one, I'm just gonna cook them for about 5 minutes. This is gonna be good. Alright, let's cook them for 5 minutes. Right, while we're waiting for that one, let me just clean up my mess here. Alright, so after 5 minutes, it's gonna be, and then I'll make the seasoning. So I'll put the ground black pepper. This is according to your taste, okay? Fish sauce. This is optional. You can use salt if you want to. Chicken bouillon. So we'll put all our liquid. So I'm using 2 of this, and then we'll add 8 cups of water. So I'm not gonna add any salt yet. I'm gonna use that to adjust the taste. And then, so I'm using dairy free, but you know, you can use, if you don't have dairy free available, you can use the regular one. You can use evaporated milk or fresh milk. It's up to you, but I'm using this one. Right. And then I'm gonna add 8 cups of water. Alright, so let's bring this to a boil. Then once it's boiled, we can put our elbow pasta and the carrots together. Okay? Alright, so our soup base is boiling. So we can add our elbow pasta and the carrots. I always put them together at the same time. Okay, and the carrots. So we're just gonna cook them for 7 to 10 minutes. So make sure you stir this before you cover it again. This is gonna be good. Alright, so I'm just gonna cook them for 10 minutes and we'll check after that. Alright, so after 10 minutes, let's taste the pasta if it's cooked. Let's see. Oh, look at that. I can see the pasta. It's good. It's al dente. Let me taste if I have to adjust the seasoning. So good. So actually, I add 2 more cups of water, and then I'm not gonna adjust the seasoning because this is what I wanted. But if you guys can adjust your own seasoning according to your guys' taste. So good. All right. So the pasta is done. So the last thing that we can do is let's put our cabbage. I think I want to add more. Actually, I want to add black ground pepper. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. So I want my cabbage a little bit more crunchy. So once my cabbage is already incorporated into the soup, I'm just gonna turn off because the heat from the soup is gonna continue cooking the cabbage. Yum. It's time for plating. It's testing time. Oh my god, look at that. More soup. I like soup. Alright, and then one thing you have to do after you cook the soup, I always garnish my sopas with cilantro, green onion, and lime. So the cilantro is gonna give you that flavor onto the soup, and the lime will balance the fattiness of the soup. Okay? First, I wanna get cilantro, make it pretty. There you go. You can top also a hard-boiled egg if you want to. Alright, the moment of truth. Alright, so I want to squeeze in my lime. The limes really balance the fattiness of the soups, the acidity of the lime. And what I have to do is like incorporate all the toppings. Look at that, so good. So this is dairy free, but it's not gluten free because I use the regular pasta. But if you are gluten free and dairy free person, so you can just substitute the pasta to gluten free. Okay. Ooh, I want to eat this. So good. It's the best, I promise. It's so good. I need to taste one more. Grabe, ang sarap! Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys like this recipe. If ever you guys gonna make them, let me know. Make a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then click the notification button. Thank you! Mahalo! Maraming salamat! Agyamanak! Bye!